Father's Day to all the men all over the world. Europe continent, Africa continent, Asia continent, United States of America, even UK. Happy Father's Day. It's not easy to be man, oh. It's not easy. Before you go feel be man, you need to gather the moral to stop one babe for road. Talk to her, finish. Maybe you still lock in hand. Some way still they lock, some way still whether you lucky or not lucky or anyone, you go see the people parents, you can't still pay, you can't she can't it can't born for you, they'll come automatically, they call you Papa this one, Papa B, Papa A. It's not that easy. We celebrate our day, but as a man, what will be your position for house? What will be your position for house? I know feel show now. I don't want just put video, but when I just watch the video for screen as I talk. Now, as a man, waiting be on our position. God create man. You understand? Then God come to us say, he go also create woman from man, so that the woman will be the bone of his bone and the flesh of his flesh, and the woman will be a helpmate, not be sex mate. You understand? Now the helpmate mean they will support each other. You bring money, I bring money. You do this one, I do this one. You understand? But I want to let you know one thing. Nowadays, I want to talk to only the men, not be the women. I will still do the women own later when their day will come. But the men, I think it don't really time when we say we need to abolish this African mentality. Oh, there's a bit. African mentality. Understand? One kind of law, some they call it principle, some they call it law. Yeah, it could maybe say you get principle for your home as an African man, but not to an extent. You can't 2 days straight. Even Bible talk say when you don't 2 days over spiritual, over holy, it don't become sin. When a father 2 days straight, the family is bound to have problem. Understand? At least there should be an equal. Understand now? You balance the equation. Yeah, train your children the way they grow. Understand? So that when they grow up, they're not going to depart from what you train them. But not to an extent that you are too strict to your family. Some men like some people now we be say they talk one thing. I want to make you understand something. Now they do this in a form of not be news, maybe talk show. Those one will say they want to listen, you patient, you listen. Those one say they don't want to listen, no problem. Understand? That means you don't need that. But those one we need that, now will take from advice. And me, I'm also learning, and they learn from people. But the issue is this, most of now will be say. Always they talk this. They fond of this word. This word. Women are devil. Women are devil. Women are devil. From the beginning, a woman brings. Not be woman brings. Not be woman. Lucifer was not a woman. Understand? Lucifer not be woman. Lucifer enters serpent. Bible not to say Lucifer na woman. Lucifer now one of the angels when God create. Lucifer enters serpent. And Bible not even to say serpent is a woman. Serpent na male way he enter. When he enter the serpent. But do you know one thing? Most of our people they talk say women. I want to know something. Anytime when I talk say women are devil, remember say you get mama. That means you automatically call your mama, your daughters, your sisters, devil. Mona get that sense. Today now our day. I'm will just use this one. They celebrate our day. You understand? But the issue is this. Remember in the Bible, God created Eve and Adam to do together. But tell me, what did Adam they do for Bible? What did Adam they do? Adam can't date busy like most of we they do now. Most men with the day busy. With the day busy. You understand now? with many things outside wey not dey necessarily wey not dey needed at that time, doing the right thing at the wrong time, like I always dey talk am. Adam dey busy with animals, dey play with them, while Eve was left alone. And that will be say serpent fit come enter am. No, e go get time wey be say if you dey give your wife that gap, that space, you dey give her room, you dey give devil room to come in. Understand? Most of us wey be say we get that mentality, say na women and then they cook also. And yes, women are meant to cook, but there are times you still have to do that. You still need to cook. You still need to cook. There are times you still need to change children pampers. Yeah. There are times you still need to say, okay, you just need to take care of children. Because a time will come when we say the woman go weak. Who will come do one for you? What of if you not date buoyance alone to employ housemaid? Who want do one for you? Yeah, when the guy asked me for for Europe, they're not the guy asked me for Europe like that. Most especially the black way in Europe. Because everybody they do it all. I they taught this thing for people with that, because people with in Europe they don't feel do this kind of, but most of them they do one inside. If you they do and stop them. When I just see the video when they play for background, I don't want to show them because because the person will talk, get one person will talk at the end, now one language is used, so I don't go understand that. You understand? But the issue is this. Now just imagine a woman get belly, carry baby put for back. Then another baby hold in hand, put load for head, and the man only carry cutlass, they waka, they follow her. It's very bad of us. We dey celebrate Men's Day. We want to make the women not celebrate us. Maybe as people they come out now, this woman will stay come out. This man will stay come out now. Men children, a wife still celebrate her. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. No. Most of us they do it here. Europe. Most of us they do. What most of us they do? We not go one come down say make I go market, go buy food stuff. I know many of them like that. They do one. They're not they do one. They feel too big to go market for their wives. They feel too big. Maybe you say on your bed, if you go Mama Nkechi, I say me collect that. This say me for where to go. You know go collect that yourself. They feel too big. Most of you know the process. I don't say yes. We be men. You get some suffer where they suffer. We be say no feel open up, tell our wives. You understand? There was a time my baby just I carry her. Mama they sleep. Think they they smell the shit. What the thing they take me? I want to tap the mother, but no, I said for what? And the other one they sleep. Only me, I they wake up early, and the baby they wake up early. Waiting I need to do. I carry waiting at Rasta now. I open and just position her. Even as me they do and say because the thing was too much, because from night till you gather her. Rasta. My hand said my hand can't even do. But I just say this is your picking shit too. You understand? I clean now well, then put normal panda, put her closer. Even when the mama wake up, the man don't know till today. Say this baby they change the purpose. You know why? Because he check her, nothing there. But you don't know. And I want to change the purpose. But I don't say man will still tell her because you don't want shit again, you understand? But what thing that they try to talk with this, not be everything you go they put for the woman. Push for the woman, make the woman do. Sometimes, you cannot talk as small. Sometimes, men, don't let your wife hear this one. Sometimes, stay in that kitchen. Cook, make them not know. If you cook finish, stay use that, they surprise them. Maybe that day, if you say, that day, maybe just be the one to cook. You understand? And not make your wife here. Sometimes just stay doing. Just stay doing. Just stay surprise them. Surprise them. Your children. And if you be man, you know they do all those things. You know, say here in Europe now, you get one to be say, it don't make us lazy now. Washing machine. To wash clothes for machine. That is why you see say some men now, you know, they'll say, still try it in my hand, we still use our to wash. I don't say I want to talk now. Understand? I don't say you go vex some of them. Even though say no want wash their brazier or pants, no na wash her. No na wife. No na wash her. This the way they talk is educational, biblical. Don't quote me wrong. If you as a man, if it irritates you to wash woman pants, if you not like men, when I'm saying the truth. If it irritates you to wash woman pants, make it also to irritate you to carry mat go there. No, that's not. If it irritates you to wash woman brazier, make it also irritate you to carry mat go there. Most men will not know how to wash, but we know how to suck. Most men will not know how to help them wash, but we know how to help them pull the clothes. Like, it get mentality where some men get. Some men, they get this mentality. Most of us, they do it. We go feed pull woman clothes, because that time, if they hungry us, we go pull women clothes, even pull am. Help am tie the head that time. Pull am, reach pint. But when I don't finish, I don't feel well back. Please, men nowadays, let's learn how to support our wives. Bible say, men, love your wives as Christ love you. You understand? The women, when the Bible talk about the woman, I will still talk about when their time reach. Men, love your wives as Christ love you. Christ do all those things for us. May we also at the same time applicably reciprocate to our wives. Our wives don't try. When they carry your belly for 9 months. Sometimes most of you will get children. Look at your children, see where they come from. So most of you, just men now, just see your children, maybe your daughter, your son. You don't know as a visitor. Wow, now this small picking now. Now with that small white liquid where I put for my white body. And now when they put her, you enjoy her. As you they come, you enjoy her, you put her. But I know say you struggle to make sure you take care of her. But now woman carry her for that 9 months. Some even carry for 10 months. Yeah. Most of us na 10 months. Most of us na 10 months. Some carry her for 9 months, 3 weeks, 9 months, 2 weeks, 9 months, one week. You understand? Some carry her for 10 months. Then you look at after all those things. If you know how you be, when you follow them enter labor ward. Know what they pass through. Those that give birth normal and those that give birth with CS. Know what they pass through. Please, this is the time for we, the men, to show our wives love, to show our family love. Why they told us, I beg, if we do this straight to our family, we will stop her. We will not be this kind of father. Will be say, once they don't, that time with this moment, most of our uncle, like the one of our uncle, once they come, all the children, they don't gather. But today now, the man don't hold. I say children, even one, I see when one spit for his head in my presence. Spit for his head. Although that one, only God know the fate of that one. I'm not talking of that one now. You understand? But what I thought with this, when you do this straight to your children, now you they suffer tomorrow. You understand? But today, yeah, my mother was somehow strict, but my father was my mother was kind and strict. If she beat you, you go remember the day as Moses now. How Moses stay right from Genesis to Deuteronomy, even after he don't die. You still know his story. After they never even born her, he know the story. Now so you go to remember how God they create heaven and earth. You understand? But today, where's my mother? My mother is old. You know, at least still young go here. But she not get that strength to say when come they beat the children. But I want to tell you now, beg, fathers, make we try. Make we try and balance the love we have for our family. Nowadays, let's be good to our family. Thank you very much. I beg you to subscribe to Advance TV for more videos like this. Thanks and God bless you.